That global network includes a significant presence here in Taiwan. Our team here are helping lead some of the most critical projects for the company. But before we get into that, I want to share a little about how proud I am of this team's competitive spirit and love for their community. Micron's culture places a high value on giving back to our community, and our team in Taiwan is a great example of that. Nearly 80% of our team members here volunteered or donated already this year, a great accomplishment for any large public company. These volunteers cleaned beaches and parks, raised funds for local charities, and helped map rural communities to improve emergency response during a crisis. Their efforts added to the corporate outreach of our Micron Foundation to support youth STEM programs, university education, and research partnerships in Taiwan, which totaled nearly 12 million Taiwanese dollars in 2020. The strength of this team shows in our business results too. Our major fabs in Taoyuan and Taichung have become a center of excellence for our DRAM technologies. In fact, this year, we made a significant investment to expand our fab in Taichung. We refer to the new clean room as A3, and it is a critical part of our strategy to respond to the data opportunity ahead. The primary purpose of this new clean room facility is to enable future manufacturing transitions of our industry-leading DRAM. In fact, our industry-leading 1-alpha was developed and ramped to production here in the A3 fab. Increasingly complex DRAM architectures require more processing steps and more advanced technologies, and as a result, more clean room space to deliver cost-effective and high-capacity memory. The A3 expansion builds on the infrastructure and manufacturing expertise we have established here in Taiwan. This new facility is now operational and will have a formal grand opening celebration later this year. A3 is physically connected to our existing Fab 16 and part of a mega site that includes back-end semiconductor package assembly, test, and fulfillment capabilities, a true vertical integration. This vertical integration accelerates our decision-making, increasing innovation and collaboration, and ensures ongoing DRAM leadership capability while fulfilling our customers' requirements. This expansion is another example of the long and successful partnership Micron has enjoyed with the Taiwanese government. We share a common goal to create and grow opportunities for local talent and promote a strong semiconductor industry ecosystem. Our manufacturing approach here also includes implementation of the latest AI tools, some of which I mentioned before. These smart control systems and predictive maintenance improve production efficiency and increase automation. Our process integrates an Internet of Things analytics platform with AI automated real-time diagnostic capabilities. This network collects petabytes of in-house manufacturing data from more than 8,000 sources. The data is housed in hundreds of servers around the world, allowing our data scientists across the globe to scour it for insights to develop AI models that will further improve our processes. Let's take a look at this site. It is a truly impressive structure, and what's even more amazing is how the construction was completed on schedule despite the challenges the pandemic posed over the last 15 months. This expansion also demonstrates Micron's commitment to reduce our environment footprint. A3 is the world's most advanced DRAM fab, both in technology leadership and sustainable operations. Consider the following. The A3 clean room is the first Micron facility fully designed according to our sustainability goals. The campus is covered with 600 plants That's about 30% of the total area. The rooftops are solar-enabled and designed to harvest rainwater. A3's power-efficient design will save 90 million kilowatt hours of energy annually. That's enough electricity to power 18,500 Taiwan households for a full year. And perhaps most importantly, given the deep drought we saw this year, A3 is capable of reusing and recycling 75% of its total water consumption, saving enough water annually to fill 6,500 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The completion of this expansion reinforces Micron's commitment to lead next-generation DRAM technology development here in Taiwan.